Started. Recording is in progress. I appreciate everybody being here right now. I appreciate y'all being on. Oh my goodness. I am excited. I appreciate it. Right. It is Trans Nation. It is Wednesday. It is WCW. It is Wealth Crush Wednesday. And we're here to talk about a little bit of everything. Okay. There's so much going on right now with the money making movement that's going on. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody's hearing Shiba, Doge, crypto, Bitcoin, do something, right? Hey, y'all. And a lot of people really just don't know where to start. And I want to give everybody free access to some beginner information, right? And the first thing you need to do, the link is also in the description. But before I even go into that, y'all, if you are looking at this live right now, do me a favor, put the city, state, or country that you're seeing us in. And if you're catching this on a replay, do me a favor and put hashtag replay for me. All right. So what I'm going to introduce everyone to first is your tools and resources, right? The major key to get information and access to understanding the money markets. All right. So here you're going to see Trends University registration. The link in the description is the www.forextrappers.com. A lot of people say, Travis, I'm not Forex, I'm on crypto. Everything is for foreign exchange because foreign exchange market is the currency markets, right? So that doesn't matter if it's cryptocurrency, physical currency, gold, silver, commodities, different things of that nature, even stocks, right? Everything is involved in the foreign exchange market because money is being exchanged. All right. So forextrappers.com, go ahead to that right now and register. You're going to get these questions. Please fill them out. Right. The first is going to ask you, what is your first and last name? You don't have to put in the middle. Right. Put in an accurate email address. Put in an accurate email address because you're going to get the link to the course in an email response once you submit this. Okay. Then I want to know, what is your investment level, right? Are you a newbie, right? Or you just started, you got some stuff, you're in the first year, first 12 months, you're just dibbling, dabbling, don't really know, right? Maybe you got a year or two under your belt, 4+ years, or hey, I'm starting out. I don't have a crypto account. I don't have anything. I'm a true novice. Okay. All right, let me know as well. Put in here your phone number as well. You can get text, chat, updates, things of that nature. And if anytime we do set up a consultation, already have access to your mobile device. Any additional comments as well, and then please hit submit, okay? Also, what you're going to see in the description is www.tradethetrends.com. This is a viable source as well, simply because here you see trends links, right? I'm going to click on that, and here this is where you're going to see all of my links, right? Okay, Travis, hey, I want to talk more about Forex education and software. Boom. Hey, I need a Forex broker. I just got into the Forex game. I'm looking to trade. I need a broker. Who do you use? Hugo's Way, right? Here's my option brokers. If you're into binary options, I am on the Forex currency side. This is the broker I'm using. And here's my crypto trappers breakdown. I use my Coinbase link, my crypto.com, my BlockFi, my KuCoin, my hard wallet, SafePal, and Elipool as well. Looking to get some more understanding and education around the hard wallet so I can then share and educate others as well. I don't talk about them much because I don't know as much as I would like to. Of course, Robinhood app where you can get, beginner-friendly stock and crypto app. Right now you get free stock if you're new. And here where I shop silver, I am an avid silver collector. I collect silver bullion, physical silver, right? Again, because I diversify my portfolio. Definitely consider checking out my links. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, definitely consider subscribing to the channel as well, and ring the notification bell so you can also get information going there as well. Because here's the YouTube, right? As you can see, kind of going back 3 years is when I kind of started this YouTube page, into the money game, things of that nature. So I got a lot of stuff going on. Even got my daughter trading here about 2 years ago with me when she was 2. Oh man, I didn't mean to click it, but go ahead. Let's look at the video while we here. Right, look at it getting it in. Oh man, looking at that gold cup. Right. Oh man, I love that one. Right, but I'm gonna keep it moving real quick because what everybody truly is here for is, okay, what is this money bag everybody's talking about, right? First thing I like to do is I'm always looking at Bitcoin, right? BTC USD, right? And why is BTC slash USD? That's called a currency pair. Again, something you can learn in the free course, because you may see GBP JPY, which is Great Britain pound versus the Japanese yen, which is a pair, meaning there is an exchange rate from exchanging one currency to another, and this rate fluctuates based on supply and demand. So what I want to look at first is Bitcoin. I want to zoom out. I want to look at the daily chart, right? Oh man, look at that zone right there. I don't even remember when I set that one up, but look how we entered that zone, had some consolidation, we broke out, and we've been up to the upside ever since. This was back in October 1st right here. I do not recall when I set this up, because boom, it was resistance back here in July. Boom, hey, we're not breaking through. We bounced, then we got to break through that zone. Oh man, but I see a lot of touches in this zone. And the reason why I like to look at BTC, because for me, Bitcoin is number one, right? Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Right now, we're talking about meme coins, dog coins that are making million% gains, right? But Bitcoin started it all. Bitcoin is the president, of the crypto industry, I would say, in this sense. So what I'm looking for right now is really some rinse and repeat. Okay. So let's look. I'm looking at the daily. What I'm gonna do right now is look at my Fibonacci retracement. I'm gonna go from low, right now to high. Kind of see how we looking, because basically, once I look at that, a lot of times, anytime you see a move to the plus side, you are seeing a somewhat a 20 to 40% retracement. That's also happening. For example, this is 100%. If we go back here, this is actually a 50% retracement. Right here is about 38%. As you can see, we're kind of creeping up on that zone right now. This is again why I'm thinking BTC for me, long-term buy. Even when I'm making profits in some of these other coins, I eventually myself personally do make sure I come back and start putting some back in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And of course, this is for educational purposes. I am not a licensed financial advisor, but again, just sharing what worked for me, how I look at the charts, and hopefully it can help someone out as well. Hopefully I can answer any questions to help others be successful as I've done these past few years. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. Now I'm looking at the fib here. Again, I'm seeing that 30-40%. We definitely could see a move all the way back to 53, 54K. If I'm seeing this, I'm at a strong buy, because at that point, what I'm basically seeing is, again, our continuation to the upside. Because let's kind of look at that, right? So I'm going to do a brief example here. So after we see the retrace, it didn't come 50, but again, about 38, 40%, like I was saying. And then we saw, boom, another rise, right? It's insane. It's insane, right? So that's basically what I mean about history repeating itself, right? You're starting to see trends in the market. That's why we trade the trends. Okay, I've been trying to tell y'all that for years now. We trade the trends. So when you see a trend, okay, I see a low, again, a zone that I created probably months ago. We're still interacting in the zone, right? Once we see that breakout at this point and we saw it close above, if you weren't in, that's a good buy confirmation right there. And yes, boom, because it broke out, it closed above. Next one closed above, open and closed above our zone as well. Hey, I'm entering the buy at 47, and look where we are, right? We peaked at 67. I want to say about 67. New all-time highs as well for BTC, right? And we hitting the all-time highs everywhere. We do see our retracement, because what goes up comes down, because people, hey, we taking some profits, here and there. We getting these weekends, out the market, because people said it was crashing when it was at 3K. People said it was crashing at 20K, right? Just do your own research, invest at your own risk. If you only got $50 to lose, only put in 50. And I say to lose is because that's how I look at investing, right? You know, because that's truly what risk capital is. You know, risk capital is having the ability, you know, at that point really to talk about, you know, making bread, you know, making that money. All right. So really want to talk about it, but really want y'all to look at this. But this is why the I want to say I believe it's so good. Let me go to this classroom real quick. I want to go to this. I want to bring up the basics course right now. That's what I'm looking for, because I want to show y'all this work right now. And I look at the course because there's many people in here. And what I'm saying, once you get it, you have to use it, right? Just because you put in your information in email doesn't mean the information is just going to magically enter your brain, right? Watch the videos, right? These videos about 10 minutes max, right? If there's a max, right? Tradingview.com. This is what I'm looking at now, right here, looking at the chart. It's free to register. Forexfactory.com. This is where I look at news, right? Here's my Hugo Forex broker, my Coinbase broker, my platform to buy silver at the price that I buy it at, right? And of course, a welcome video, right? Which is going through basically what I'm going through now. Your Forex basics, right? Understanding the foreign exchange, who's involved already, why you should be involved, understanding the pips and pairs, like I was saying, BTC, USD, because you're going to see it's probably going to be SHIB, USDT, right? Looking at SHIB and value of dollars and things of that nature in crypto. It's going to help you understand that. Understand the candlesticks as well as we're looking at here. Yes, it says Forex basics, but the fundamentals are the same when we're looking at a chart. When it comes to pairs, candlesticks, the market psychology, even identifying trends in the market, like I just showed you, right? You know, looking at this trend, it's still a repeat of this, right? We see about a 40% retracement before it goes up to the next, before it continues in the next point. See, what happens is if we see this break to the 50% and we see it break to 62, hey, this could be now a possible downtrend, because now if we see it break through, you know, this next level right here, because as I look at this zone and I'm liking this zone a little bit, I want to see what I want to use. I'm going to use this rectangle there. I'm going to say this zone right here will be prime, right? That'll be some prime movement right there, and not much off of where we at already, but yo, that could potentially, and I'm glad I'm recording this video because I definitely want to come back to this video as well, and maybe about, let me see, what is this, the daily, maybe about a week or so, actually kind of see, you know, how this played out. But this is definitely what I'm seeing, and then we can see again 70K. I do believe we can see 70 to 75K probably around Christmas time as well, if not sooner. I know they're talking about hitting 100K, but if I see 75K, I'm at that point. I know crypto is booming, altcoins are booming. I see y'all in the chat as well on Facebook. If y'all got questions, put them in the chat as well, so y'all, I can make sure I answer that. But this is BTC. But now let's look at the craze that everyone's talking about right now. Like I said, we see SHIB, USDT. I want that SHIB USD from that Coinbase. All right. And as we can see, SHIB hasn't been around very long, right? Fairly new. What? September. This says what? September 9th. SHIB 4. So let's see. Let me see if I can get a better view on a monthly. Yeah, because it hasn't been on Coinbase that long. That's why we don't have it. Only got to Coinbase in September, right? So let me see if I got another option. I know I got it on crypto.com way earlier, but I don't use crypto.com. Binance, USDT. What was that one at? On the Binance. All right, let's see how this looks. Let's see how this looks. I don't really like this look because it's not giving me it's not giving me the look I want. So I'm gonna go back to Coinbase. We just gonna do it how we do it, and I ain't even gonna mess with them. SHIB USDT. Nope, I want SHIB USD. All right, so even just looking at it now, I know we don't have a lot of history again in this sense, because as we kind of see it right now, we definitely saw the big jump here as well. You know, back in September, once it got listed on Coinbase, as we usually see, then we see it level out. But what I'm looking at right now, as I'm seeing my moving averages here, I'm seeing my 10, you know, cross over on my 20 on the upside. So that means we are in a buy. That confirms. The further away it is, the stronger the buy. As you see, the closer it is, the more potential it has to cross down and create a sell. But right now, with all the craziness going on, I mean, this is kind of just what I'm seeing, right? I mean, as a trader's aspect, and I understand the volatility of crypto, the last zone I see is right here, right? Because this is the last time we had a downtrend, even it's a small one, but this is the last time we had a downtrend, right? Which we could see potentially at this point. It's a possibility that this can happen, right? This can happen, right? It can shake some loose hands. People can say, hey, I don't know what's going on. I'm getting out. I knew it was this, that, and the third. It can shake up a lot. This is why if you're following me in my private group, you know, you also kind of see my strategies as I kind of, you know, look or talk about, as I look or really talk about taking profits, really, you know, especially initial investment example, right? This is just an example. If you, and as you can see, SHIB is right here, still for some reason still creating all-time highs, y'all. I don't know, but so it's moving, but yeah, take profits, right? So example, let's take SHIB, right? Invested $100. Right now, that $100 is now $1,000, right? So what I would do personally is I would then profit the $100 or take back my initial investment at that point, and then allow the remaining $900 that I have, which is house money, to roll. And again, each 200 to 300 that I make, I then probably would take out $100, right? Another 200-300, I take out $100, right? Another 200-300, I take out $100, right? If that makes sense. Anytime I triple or quadruple my investment, I take out that initial investment amount and then let the rest ride. That's something that's been working for me as well. So of course, you know, because again, if something like this happens and then now you're up 1,000 and next thing you know, you're only up 155, you're looking at yourself like, man, I should have did this, I could have did that. And it's like, yo, that's why we choose sometimes to take profits. Or if you let it ride, understand if that's your strategy, be emotionally detached, right? And I talk about that as well as I really come in and talk about trading. That's really when we talk about technical and fundamental analysis, because the technical aspect is looking at the charts, right? That's technical, right? The fundamentals is now looking at the news, right? Because the news really then, and let me go take that link. I'm going to use the one I use for the news, which is forexfactory.com. This gives me information and how emotional, right, the market could be that day. The market could be emotional that day, right? So if I'm looking anything, okay, what's today? It's Wednesday. I'm not trading GBP. I see heavy impacts. I'm not trading CAD, heavy impacts, and I'm not trading JPY. So what I'm looking at is probably Euro USD, right? That's probably something I'm gonna trade or look for. But also any news that could impact any crypto as well. Like, you know, we might see, hey, China is banning crypto, or Mexico now crypto Bitcoin is now the leading currency in El Salvador, you know, whatever it may be, things that can assist you again, and also knowing your forex sessions here as well, right? Right now we're in the Sydney Tokyo market. of course, right? But a lot of information here. And again, don't let the term Forex fool you, because a lot of times it does for some reason, because the wrong person showed you Forex. That's really what it is. The wrong person showed you Forex. Now you're feeling some type of way, right? And even going back to my website here, tradethetrends.com, you see the first thing we want to do is overcome the top 5 fears in trading, which are removing human emotion from trading, right? Minimize fear of loss, eliminate fear of being wrong, and fear of allowing winning trades or investments to turn into losses, or eliminate fear of missing out, that FOMO, right? You know, fear, oh man, I don't want to get in, I get scared. Then, oh man, I was gonna put in 100. Now that 100 could have been 10 grand. Oh my goodness. Or like I said, eliminate fear of allowing winning trades to turn to losses. On a trading scale, I like to call it a trailing stop loss. But on the investment side is, again, once you triple or quadruple, you take your initial investment. Now that's a risk-free investment, right? You're not risking anything, because that's really the house money, right? Your money that you put in there is now back into your account and is now working for you, right? I want to tell you the secret. I want to give you the sauce, and then we're going to put the action in. Again, the goal of this community is to enrich, empower, and educate others to help grow their mind and their money. Okay, that's so key. Team lead, it's your boy. You already know. If you need a little bit more info as well, hit me up there. We can set up some time. The first consultation of 15 to 30 minutes is free. Again, if you want to continue the partnership, hey, let's talk about what that looks like, how we can maneuver everything together. And again, the live training here, if you ever want to get to the Zoom I'm using, that link is always there when I'm going live, like right now on Wednesdays or any of my private stuff. And real quick, want to show y'all this silver collection, because y'all definitely might want to come in and get y'all some coins. The one I suggest right here is $29.97. You get that's basically on auto pay. You get your 1 coin per month. This is the program that I utilize. I usually get more than 1 coin, but you can actually change it, right? If you want one month, you want to up it to 2, different things like that as well. Or you can just come in here and get a free silver and info pack. All you got to pay is the shipping and handling. But again, pure silver, right? We see the Canadian silver maple leaf, right? The China 30-gram silver panda coin. Oh man, we got the Canada proof silver dollar 400th anniversary, right? It's so much we do here at Trends Nation. It's not just trading, it's not just investing. We talk about the money markets, and we talk about diversifying your portfolio, right? Gold and silver, right? No, there's nowhere you can go in the country, not in the country, the globe, right, and show them silver and they don't recognize it, right? This is way bigger than just the US dollar, because I can't go to the Japanese yen and pay for stuff in US dollars, right? I need yen. I got to exchange it for yen, right? I got to use the local currency. But everywhere, guess what? People recognize and accept silver as currency, right? That's so awesome. That's why I kind of love what I do and putting all this together. But again, please make sure, again, you can access the free course here as well. You got the link. But again, all my links are here as well. So a lot of times I'm going to send you to my website and then tell you click on Trends links so you can actually go see everything there. But looking at the charts, oh man, now the key things to look for is what is going to be the next boom? What's the next boom? Right? That's something that we need to know, need to find out, because right now, me personally, when I see coins like this going up this far, now we're seeing a bit of a retrace, like I said before, because we could potentially come all the way back here. That's why I say take profits, leave your emotions at home, right? What I do, because what's happened is, like, now the craziness has happened. Look at this move. Look at this move, y'all. Look at this move. Look at this move right here. Look at this. Look at this one. Oh, did I not click on it? I don't think I did. Look at this move. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Right? From wick to wick, right? 50% will be right here. We're at least going to get 50. We at least going to get 50. I'm at least going to see a 50%er. We're at least going to be up in this range somewhere, right? That's what I'm seeing. I want to come back to this one as well to see if my predictions are somewhat close, right? Again, these are, you know, the potential possibilities. We already see the slight retracement right now. Again, I'm not sure how long that will go on, but again, anytime whatever goes up must come down, must reset. People gonna take profits. It's already thousandaires. It's already millionaires, right? If you invested $1,000, I think it said a cat last year bought 8,000 in SHIB and is now worth 50 million or something in that neighborhood. So it's already been insane. So I know if I'm that cat and I got 50 million, you know what I'm taking out? At least 25, at least 25 milli. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting 25 milli. You know, I'm buying a house, 2 houses, few houses, some businesses, you know, things of that nature. Definitely reinvesting that in more residual income. And looking at different opportunities. I'm telling you, that's what I'm doing, and hopefully building some type of academy like I have here with my Trends University. You know, again, something that I can just give to the people, hopefully help them out. Again, it is up to you to take action, right? As I ask individuals all the time, a lot of the questions you're asking, I've already answered and already given you access to the links and the information. You just have to read it or listen to it, right? That's why I made videos, right? The slides are here with my speaker notes, as well as the actual video, right? That goes to YouTube. These videos are not public on YouTube, so you can only get them, guess what, in the free course as of right now. I am getting some more information on NFTs. I have what our NFTs already here. I have to do the video, but we're going to talk about how to purchase an NFT, how to create your own NFT, how to sell your NFT, and also possible NFT knowledge checks. So I know it's time to go because now my kids are coming in here. Look like y'all just got a fresh shower, didn't y'all? Daddy, yes, sir. Open this room? Yeah, I can open it, but I need y'all to do me a favor. Tell everybody bye-bye. 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 Say I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. So I'm going to see y'all on the end on another one. I want to see y'all at the top because the bottom, y'all, that's way too crowded, y'all.